what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicolene and today I have a brand new video for you guys. In today's video, I will be opening up a mystery makeup box. I bought this box on Amazon and I paid $15 to be surprised with what is in this box. I don't know exactly what's in there, but it is beauty and makeup related. So I'm going to pull up some information on the box. So when I purchased the box, this is the picture they showed me. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm going to insert it, but this is the picture they showed me when this is what they show here when I saw it. So this is the, I'm thinking that's how you pronounce it, Siska Chic Mystery Collection 5 Beauty Product Makeup Box. So there's 5 beauty products in this. It retails for $15, and yeah. So we're going to read some stuff about this makeup, mystery makeup box. So it says, Siska Chic stylists don't just obsess over beauty products. They uncovered the groundbreaking, game-changing formulas makeup wave throughout the beauty sphere. From hair and makeup to skincare and fragrance, they do all the legwork so that you can do the fun part. Open a box filled with high-end, picked, stylish, tested products every month. Here's what's included. 5 duplex size beauty samples or full size items so you can use each one more than once. So there's some so I guess stuff that could be in here, like features in here are lip balms, moisturizer, eyeshadow, lipstick, and highlighters. There's like features in here. But yeah, this is what I got. I'm going to show you guys the box that it came in. So this is the box that the mystery makeup came in. Not exactly the picture that's on there, but this is the box. And it has like the company name right here. So that's the company name. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. I think it's pronounced Siska Chic Beauty Box. So it's a mystery makeup box. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to open it up and see what is in there. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be surprised. Like, so far it's not what I'm expecting. So I probably will be surprised in there. I shook it a little and I could only hear like one thing moving around. So I don't know exactly what's in there, but we're going to find out. Okay, this box is going to be ripped open. Wow. So this is inside of the box. We have this card that says shop to look at siskachic.com. So it has some stuff. I guess they sell like clothing and stuff like that. They have clothing on here. So yeah. I'm not sure what this is, but yeah. So this is the packaging. It has this yellow bow. So we're going to open that up. And we have some tissue paper. Open that up and let's see what's in here. Wow. Wow, so that's what's in here. Oh, I think we got some good stuff. This is what's in the box. Some of you guys can see that. I definitely, yeah, I'm surprised what's in here. So the first thing that is in here, is this supposed to look like this? I'm not sure it's supposed to look like this. So this says that this is the L'Oreal Paris Gloss Burst, a vamplifier. So this is a L'Oreal Gloss Blast. And I'm not sure it's supposed to look like this. It looks a little old. Definitely looks a little old. Let me see the expiration date if there's any on here. I don't know if it's like... I definitely won't be using this because this looks really old. If you can see that, it looks really old. And then we have this CoverGirl Lip Lava. And this also looks really old. These are like really old products. So we have this CoverGirl Lip Lava. It's in the shade Colorfulicious. Oh no, this is Mango Lava. It's in Mango Lava. But it looks old. It just looks old. I've never seen this before in my life too. So yeah. Next we have this Hard Candy eyeshadow primer. This also looks old. Everything looks old in this. I've never seen this before, but this is by Hard Candy, and it is a eyeshadow primer, and this is what it looks like if you guys can see that. Okay, so the next thing that we have are these pair of lashes. This is what they look like. This is the brand. It's FOF. It's called Fate of Flowers, and these are the lashes right here. They're not my style of lashes. They're really dramatic and they have a really thick lash bands. So this is not the kind of lashes I go for. First of all, it's hard for me to apply lashes because of my eyelashes. They curl up way too much and I can't see my lash line. So this is definitely not something that I'll be wearing. And the last thing that we have is this Ofra. Oh, it's Ofra blush. I thought it was a eyeshadow, but it's actually their blush. And this is it. I'm not sure what shade it is. It's in, but let's see. It is in. Oh wow. So this is their blush. It doesn't tell me what shade it is. So it comes in a pan, and it does not say. Well, does blush have shade names? I don't think so. But whatever. So that's that. And yeah, that's my $15 down the drain because this box was definitely disappointing. I I've done other subscription boxes before where I would recommend doing that instead of buying a random mystery box off of Amazon or eBay. Like I've seen people bought mystery boxes off of eBay too, but I decided to buy it off of Amazon, and this was the only one that was listed, a beauty mystery box, and I'm definitely surprised. If you ask me, I'm super duper surprised. And honestly, this makeup, I don't know, I don't think this is worth the money I paid. Like, it's crazy. But I don't know, I mean, this balm whatever, it looks really old, and I don't know why. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like messed up. I don't know if it's supposed to look like that, but it looks really old. This lipstick look really old too. I've never seen the CoverGirl, lip thingy. I never seen this before. And the hard candy eyeshadow and the lashes and Ofra blushes. I mean, not worth the money I paid. I personally think it's not. I definitely don't recommend getting this. If you guys see this on Amazon, definitely click away. Don't click it. But yeah, like, you have a better chance of clicking a subscription, like doing a subscription. Like, you have Ipsy, you have like Target, and I'm pretty sure they have better items in their subscription box than this mystery beauty box. But yeah, that's it for the video. I'm very disappointed by what came in here. Like, I'm not feeling anything, so yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, don't forget to click that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell. Is it over here? I don't know where it is, but don't forget to click that bell after you subscribe to be notified when I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.